What if I told you you can create fully automated WhatsApp chatbots and even powerful AI assistant for your own business without writing a single line of code? Yes, you heard the right. Imagine your business is replying to customers automatically 24/7, capturing leads, sending payment links, broadcasting offers to 1,000 plus users, and even answering customer questions like a real human assistant. And the best part, you can do all of this using just one powerful tool called Pabbly Chatflow. So if that sounds useful for your business, then this video is going to be really very valuable for you, because in this complete tutorial I am going to walk you through all the major features of Pabbly Chatflow step by step in the simplest way possible. And make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll also reveal a special coupon code that can help you to get a discount as well. So first of all, let's understand what exactly Pabbly Chatflow is. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that helps businesses automate conversations, create chatbots, build AI assistants, send WhatsApp broadcast, collect payments, and manage almost everything for your business. Whether you run an e-commerce store, coaching business, agency, real estate, or any local business, Pabbly Chatflow can help you to automate customer communication professionally. And the best thing is, everything works visually. No coding, no technical headaches, just a simple drag and drop automation. Now let's explore all the powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow one by one. So if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? Once you do the sign up process, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. So after logging into Pabbly Chatflow, the first thing you will see is the dashboard. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. This is basically your control center where you can manage your WhatsApp automation activities. From here you can monitor everything. Now let's talk about one of the most important section, that is contacts. Inside the contact section, you can manage all your customers' data in one place. You can add contacts manually as well as import in bulk and add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. This becomes extremely useful when you want to run targeted WhatsApp marketing campaigns or automate follow-ups for your businesses. Now comes to the next exciting feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is Flow Builder. This is where you can create powerful WhatsApp chatbot by doing simple drag and drop process. And honestly, this is one of the easiest chatbot builder that I have ever used. Just drag and drop the buttons, add content inside it, and connect blocks to create your chatbot flow. So this is how the chatbot flows will look like in real time. And the best part, the chatbot works in real time exactly the way you design. So if a customer sends a message on WhatsApp, the chatbot instantly responds professionally according to the flow you created. This means your business can handle customer queries and do booking automatically even when you are sleeping. And because the flow builder is visual, so even beginners can use it. But wait, Pabbly Chatflow is not just limited to simple chatbots. You can also create advanced AI assistant, and this feature is honestly a game changer. With the AI assistant feature, your WhatsApp bot becomes smarter and more human-like. You can train the AI assistant by using your own business knowledge base. So instead of giving fixed replies like traditional chatbots, the AI assistant gives intelligent and contextual responses automatically, completely based on your business. And yes, it also works 24/7 without any break. That means your customers always get instant support, whether someone asks about the pricing, delivery services, appointment, or anything else. The assistant responds accurately based on your business data. This is very helpful for those type of businesses that receive a lot of customer questions daily. Now let's move to the next most interesting feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is WhatsApp broadcast. This feature allows you to send WhatsApp messages and templates to thousands of your users at once. And trust me, this is insanely useful for marketing. With the help of this, you can send promotional offers, festival greetings, discount campaigns, and many more. And the best part, you can also personalize the message using customer's name and dynamic data. So instead of sending boring bulk messages, you can send highly engaging professional WhatsApp templates. Imagine sending attractive promotional templates to 10,000 plus users in just few clicks. That's the power of WhatsApp broadcasting. Now let's talk about the last one, that is payment gateways. This is also extremely useful feature. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can connect payment gateways directly with your WhatsApp chatbot. This means your chatbot can automatically share payment link, collect payments and gives confirmation to your user without you touching your phone. So overall, Pabbly Chatflow is not just a chatbot tool, it's a complete WhatsApp automation ecosystem for businesses. You can automate customer support, build AI assistants, send broadcast, capture leads, manage contacts, collect payments, and scale your communication professionally, all from a single platform. So that was the complete overview of Pabbly Chatflow and its powerful features. So if you want to automate your business communications professionally using WhatsApp, then this tool can genuinely save your hours of manual work every single day. And as promised, here's the special coupon code for you guys, that is MEHYT. Make sure to use it while purchasing so you can get the discount benefits. Also, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like this video and comment below what type of chatbot or AI assistant you want to build next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.